Imagine a world where sailors navigated by the stars. But what if I told you the compass was once considered magical? In ancient China, the first compasses were made from lodestone, a naturally magnetized mineral. These early compasses were shaped like spoons and spun on a bronze plate, pointing south instead of north. This quirky south-pointing spoon was believed to have mystical powers, guiding emperors in feng shui practices. Who knew navigation could be so enchanting? If you found this surprising, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.